Good morning, good morning! Today is Friday again, and thanks God it's Friday. Hindi ako nag-vlog nung nakaraan, pero may konting clips ako. But I will include it next vlog. So, this is the weather for today. Ayan, mukhang uulan. Sana hindi. Kasi marami akong mga sinampay. At ang aking ampalaya. Ayan. 5 pala yung tumubo. 5 seeds. Ayan, nakatuwa sila. Diba? Sinampay and weather. And ito pa. Dinadry ko dyan. And it's 7, 8. And I need to prepare lunch, brunch around 11:30. And ito lang ang gagawin ko. Ayan, mga fruits, mangustinin. Pero sa kanila yun, sa akin. Ito yung tilapia. Ipapry ko lang siya. And that's it. Lagyan ko ng soy sauce. So, that's our Friday. Nagplansya ako. Katapos ko nagplansya. So, ito naman is nahugasan na itong tilapia. So, I don't need to wash it anymore. I don't need to touch water. So, that's it. I hope you have a wonderful Friday and weekend. Enjoy and stay happy, stay safe, and live life to the fullest. Square in. Until my next one. Bye.